Introduction: Why merge and convert PDFs?
Combining multiple PDFs into a single file makes it easier to organize documents, share materials, or archive information. Whether you're managing forms, reports, or study materials, merging PDFs saves time and streamlines your workflow. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to merge and convert PDFs using free, easy-to-use tools, suitable for both beginners and experienced users.
Choosing a free PDF merger.
There are many free utilities available for merging PDFs, including web-based tools like PDF24, ILovePDF, and Small PDF, as well as desktop programs such as PDFsam Basic. Online tools work directly in your browser, no installation needed, while desktop software can merge files offline, which is useful for sensitive documents.
Merging PDFs with an online tool.
To merge PDFs online, visit a trusted site like ILovePDF.com. Click Merge PDF, upload your files, and arrange them as needed. Once ordered, select Merge to combine your documents. After a moment, the merged PDF will be available to download. This process is quick, free, and works on any device with internet access.
Merging PDFs with PDFsam Basic.
Download and install PDFsam Basic from its official website. Open the program, choose the Merge option, and add your PDF files. You can customize the order and set optional features like adding bookmarks. Click Run to create a single PDF file. PDFsam works entirely offline and is especially useful for frequent or bulk merging tasks.
Converting the merged PDF to other formats.
After merging, you may want to convert your PDF to formats like Word, JPG, or Excel. Free online tools such as Small PDF or Adobe Acrobat Online let you upload your merged PDF and convert it with a single click. Download the new file and check that formatting and content are preserved.
Tips for secure PDF handling.
Always use reputable tools to protect your privacy, especially for confidential documents. Avoid uploading sensitive files to unfamiliar websites. For extra security, use offline tools like PDFsam and delete files promptly after sharing or emailing. Regularly back up your important merged PDFs for peace of mind.